Good afternoon, sixth graders. It's Mr. Mack. I am back to talk to you about rates. So lesson 5.3 is called rates. We're going to talk about unit rates and rates, all kinds of good stuff. So my first question today, who likes candy? Yes, when you go to those candy stores and you walk in and they give you the bag and you get to scoop all the candy out and put in your bag, you have to pay attention to how many ounces, or for you guys that really love candy, how many pounds you're getting, because they charge you per pound or per ounce. That would be what's called a unit rate. How many people had to go clean out the garage this summer? Me too. My wife paid me $3 an hour. I thought I was making a killing. That's my unit rate per hour. It took me about 4 hours to clean the garage, so I made $12. Pretty good deal. Last but not least, have you guys ever taken your heart rate? Have you ever done it for 10 seconds and then multiplied it by 6? Basically, you're finding out your heart rate per minute. So those are just some real life examples of unit rates. We're going to talk more about rates, and then you're going to take a few notes. If I were to define a rate is basically a ratio of two quantities, but they're different units. So for the heart rate, for example, it's heartbeats per hour. So you have heartbeats and you have hour, they're totally different units. You could have, what was the candy example? Ounces of candy. So you have ounces per pound in candy, so two totally different things. Us adults think about miles per gallon in cars, so we have miles and then we have gasoline, so two completely different units. So we're going to look at a couple things. We're going to look at a thing called a double number line today. So you may not have seen double number lines. Once you get used to them, they're very easy to understand and interpret and take information away. So we'll talk about those. We'll talk about some data tables. And we will look a little closer at rates. So in your math notebook, please write 5.3 rates. And I will see you in just a little bit.